Hello, Wildcats. This is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I am sharing with you Surrounded by Sharks by Michael Northrup. He is one of my favorite authors. He does great at writing adventures with lots of details that keep you on the edge of your seat. So in this one, when Davy wakes up just after the sun is rising, he cannot wait to slip out of that crammed hotel room that he is sharing with his family. Leave it to his parents and his kid brother to waste an entire day of their vacation sleeping in. Not Davy. So he grabs his book and his glasses and he heads out for the beach. But he doesn't bother to leave a note letting them know where he's going. So as he's sitting on the beach relaxing, he starts to take in that ocean, and it is just too enticing for him. So he ignores the sign that says no swimming and goes to test the water out. He quickly realizes as the water begins to carry him out and the waves pull him further and further offshore that he is surrounded by water and something else too. So something circling beneath the surface, watching and waiting, and he knows it's just a matter of time. So what happens and how does Davy make it out of there? To find out, read Surrounded by Sharks. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.